Jai Gurudev, dear students, welcome again in this CVS class. Children, we are studying about chapter number 7, Flower Kingdom. Okay, we have completed most of the chapter. Only this last paragraph of this chapter is left. So let's read this paragraph, and after that we will write question answers also. So let's see. Honey from flowers. Children, as you know that when insects like honeybees, they sit on various flowers, at that time they collect nectar from flowers, okay, which is present in the inside the flowers, and from that nectar those honeybees, they prepare honey, okay. And about that process they have written in this paragraph. So let's see. Most flowers produce a sweet liquid called nectar that attracts insects to the flower. Honeybees suck nectar from the flowers, collect it in their stomachs, and carry it back to the hives. After some time, the nectar changes into honey. Bees protect their hive and sting anyone who tries to come near it. So children, in this paragraph what they told us, that many of the flowers, they have sweet liquid which is called nectar, and this nectar is present in the flowers, and because of this nectar many honeybees, they visit to those flowers and collect that nectar with the help of their sucking mouths, okay, mouth parts. And when they suck that sweet liquid which is called nectar, and that nectar they collect in their bee hive, okay. What is bee hive? मधुमक्खी का छत्ता जिसको आप बोलते हो. तो in that all the honeybees collect that nectar and store in the hives, means bee hives. So children, after some time that nectar changes into honey, okay. That nectar, from that nectar honey is prepared. So as you know that when we try to touch their hive, or when we try to disturb those bees, they sting us, means वो sting करती हैं और काटती हैं हमको, okay, bite करती हैं. And at that time our body gets swollen, okay, body part where they sting, that body part gets swollen, and we feel so much of pain also, okay. So this is the method of protection of bees, means they protect their hive by stinging method, understand. So children, let's see the next paragraph. The only thing that drives honeybees away from their hive is smoke. Whenever any hive you can see, if we want to keep away those bees from hive, then what we do, we burn fire and we make smoke, and with the help of that smoke we create that smoke so that flies can go away, but these honeybee can go away. So thus the honey collectors burn branches and dry leaves under the branch where a hive is located. The smoke makes the bee fly out of the hives, thus, the honey collector then collects honey easily. So children, when these honey collector means जो उस honey को collect करते हैं, जो उस honey को separate करते हैं honey bee के hive से, they are called honey collectors. Okay, and when they want to collect this honey, what they do, they burn some branches or dry leaves, means burn something which can produce smoke, and they produce smoke under those branches where honey bee hive is situated. Okay, and after, when the smoke produces, due to smoke, honey bees, they come out from the hive and they leave that hive. Okay, they fly away somewhere, because in the presence of smoke they can't live on that hive. So that's why they leave that hive, and when they left that hive behind, at that time honey collectors, they easily squeeze those hive, and they easily collect honey from that hive. Okay, so this is the method by which we can also collect honey from the honey bee hive. Okay, but it is not a level of your work, children. It should be done with the help of some skilled personals, means those people who are working about this collection of honey. They can only do, we can't do, because sometimes honeybees are present inside the hive also. Okay, they may also sting, and if so many honeybees sting together to any person, it can they can cause poison also in the body of human being. So it is dangerous work, you don't try. Only the person who know how to tackle those honeybees, they can only do this work, and they wear some special clothes also when they are collecting honey. Okay, so children, this is all about your this chapter. So after this we will do question answers and exercise of this chapter. Okay.